Hi, my name is Prakhar Gupta. I'm a field engineer here based in Victoria. Welcome to our video on how to generate specification text in PROFIS Engineering. Generating specification text is important to ensure that information is translated from design to implementation accurately. Let's move on to the demonstration. Let's start by clicking the process or rebar option in the home page. Once in the modeling page, we will change the connection type to an anchorage with a column to slab application. In the model, we will change the length of the existing substrate to 2000 mil. We will then click the Products tab on the left and select the relevant product for your design. We'll change the product from RE500V4 to HY200RV3. Once selected and changed, we will click the Export tab on the top right of the page and select the specification text option, which will generate detailed information about the connection that can be copied onto the structural engineering drawings. Thank you for watching our demonstration. We hope you found it informative. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.